Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Discord. It's not opening in Windows 10 or 11. So the first step, what you need to do here, you need to make sure that your Discord is not running in the system. So open up Task Manager, and on Task Manager just write Discord, and if there is a Discord for you and it's not opening, and all the tasks here on Task Manager, right? And after that, you need to just try again and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, another thing that you need to do here is to make sure to update your operating system. And to do so, you just need to go to Settings. Then you need to go to Windows Update, check for updates. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so, because sometimes not updated system can cause this problem, right? And then restart your computer, right? And if it's not the case, you just update the computer and restart it. If it's not working, then go to search, go again Discord, right click on it and run as admin, and look if it's working or not. And if these first three methods is not working for you, what I suggest you to do here is to go to uninstalled apps, and then look for Discord. And what you need to do here, simply press on this menu here, uninstall it, and then go to discord.com and reinstall Discord again, and it should work, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it.